present kami cover ng Arbina Shane Morales. Congratulations sa inyo. Once again, our little Miss Tamayan 2024 is candidate at number 5. Once again, Dr. Tamayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtakilit at pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi. Well, may gusto kong kasalamat.
Yes, I'm your host, Joel Machomar with...
And my name is Ava. And of course, I would like to thank my sponsors. Norman Malagay ng kuha ko ng outfit. Last Life Aesthetic, maraming salamat. And of course, sa inyong lahat, for the rest of the day, love. Once again, Happy Fiesta po.
Happy Fiesta, everyone!
Yung official muna, yung title muna, tapos yung personal.